Are you on me?
All right, Nance. Nance.
Are you on me?
Nance, get in here.
I'm in the.
No, on my side. This is Karl and Nance's video blog. It's on. It's on. Today we're going to be trying to spot the Black Chin Hummingbird.
Yes, we're here gonna look for the Black Chin Hummingbird. It's very hard to find.
Here are some facts.
This bush used to have berries on it. Now it doesn't have much because of the drought, but this was my favorite bush. I like a lot of bushes.
Is that a bird? Oh, it's just people. Nance is pretty PO'd that I forgot the binoculars, so I figured I'd play a little fun game. You know, lighten the mood up here. I'm gonna sneak up on her and scare the bejesus out of her. Oh, God! Oh, God! Yeah! Oh,
Karl!
God!
Karl!
Oh, God!
He thinks he can scare me. He thinks to scare me? Go watch how scary I can be, huh? I want to see that bird. Get up!
Starting to chafe.
Well, you always insist on wearing your jeans, and I told you bring your sun hat.
Don't put this in the video.
I just saw the most beautiful bird. You couldn't get it on camera. It was a Mexican lily picker. It was beautiful. It was right over there on that little branch right there. It was so beautiful. Oh, the colors. Oh my, there it is. I found it. Did you see that?
Oh, was that it?
That was it. That's a wrap of bird watching with
Karl.
and Nance. Today on episode 1, you saw some ducks, the Mexican lily pecker, and the Black Chin Hummingbird. Stay tuned for episode 2.
This stream is making me pee.